In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an abuse contact on Cloudflare. By the end, you'll have a dedicated email in place for receiving abuse reports, which helps you stay compliant and respond quickly to security or policy issues. First, open your Cloudflare account and sign into the dashboard. If you work with more than one account or organization, make sure you're in the correct account before changing any settings. This ensures the abuse contact you add applies to the right place. From the main dashboard, click Manage Account. This takes you to the account level controls, where settings apply across your entire account rather than a single site or application. Next, click Configuration. This is where Cloudflare groups many of the core account settings, so you don't have to hunt around. Inside Configuration, look for the section labeled Preferences. Preferences is where Cloudflare places contact and notification options that affect how you receive important communications. Within Preferences, find the option to add an abuse contact. Click Add an Abuse. This is the designated place to provide the address that will receive reports about misuse, suspicious activity, or policy violations related to your services. Now, enter the new email address you want to use for abuse reports and confirm it by entering the same address again. Double check for typos here. The abuse inbox should be a monitored, reliable mailbox, ideally a team or shared address that more than one trusted person can access. Using a well-managed inbox helps ensure you don't miss urgent reports and that responses aren't delayed by vacations or schedule conflicts. Once the email is entered and confirmed, click Save. Saving applies the change across your account's abuse reporting channel right away. After saving, take a moment to verify you're seeing the updated email listed in the Preferences section. That visual confirmation helps you know the correct address is in place. A quick note on best practices. Keep this inbox organized with filters or labels so abuse reports are easy to spot, and consider documenting who on your team is responsible for monitoring it. While this isn't something you configure here, having a clear process makes your response faster and more consistent. That's it. You opened your Cloudflare account, navigated to Manage Account, went into Configuration, found Preferences, clicked Add an Abuse, entered and confirmed the new email, and saved your changes. With your abuse contact set, you're better prepared to handle critical reports promptly and professionally. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.